Have you ever wondered how blockchain is creating entire digital nations without governments? Some blockchain projects are replacing banks, corporations, and even internet infrastructure. These projects are building a new financial and digital world from code alone. Most people think blockchain is just crypto, but the reality is far bigger and more powerful. Like, subscribe, and comment, because these projects are quietly reshaping the future of humanity. Blockchain technology started with Bitcoin but evolved into a global innovation engine. Today, thousands of blockchain projects are solving problems in finance, health, supply chains, and the internet itself. Governments, companies, and developers are racing to build on decentralized systems. This is not a trend, it is a technological revolution similar to the internet boom. To understand the future, you must understand the most important blockchain projects today. 10. Bitcoin, the original blockchain project. Bitcoin, the original blockchain project, revolutionized money by introducing a decentralized digital currency that operates without banks or central authorities. It proved that a peer-to-peer financial system could function securely on a global scale, fundamentally changing how people perceive trust, value, and transactions. For the first time, individuals could hold and transfer wealth without relying on intermediaries, opening the door to a truly borderless financial ecosystem. Over time, Bitcoin has continued to evolve. Innovations like the Lightning Network allow instant, low-cost transactions, expanding its usability for everyday payments. Beyond practical use, it has gained recognition as digital gold, attracting institutions and individuals seeking a hedge against inflation and centralized monetary control. Bitcoin's journey demonstrates not only technological innovation but also a cultural shift in how society understands money, ownership, and financial sovereignty. Its impact goes far beyond price speculation. Bitcoin has reshaped the global conversation around finance and trust in the digital age. 9. Ethereum smart contract ecosystem. Ethereum took blockchain technology to the next level by introducing smart contracts, self-executing programs that run directly on the blockchain. This innovation allowed developers to build decentralized applications, DApps, that operate without servers, intermediaries, or corporate control, enabling trustless interactions between users. On Ethereum, thousands of projects have flourished. Decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms let people lend, borrow, and trade without banks. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, created entirely new digital ownership models for art, gaming, and collectibles. Decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, allowed communities to govern projects collectively, without relying on a central authority. By enabling programmable money and governance, Ethereum transformed blockchain from a tool for digital currency into a versatile, world computer, capable of supporting a wide range of decentralized applications and redefining how software and value are created and shared globally. 8. Decentralized finance projects. Decentralized finance, DeFi, projects have reshaped the financial landscape by removing intermediaries like banks. Platforms such as decentralized exchanges, lending protocols, and yield farming systems allow users to trade, lend, and borrow directly, with all operations governed by code and community consensus rather than corporations. DeFi has locked hundreds of billions of dollars in digital assets, creating financial products that operate 24/7 on a global scale. Users retain full control over their funds, set their own interest rates, and participate in governance, challenging the traditional banking system's monopoly on finance. By enabling permissionless access to complex financial services, DeFi is turning money management into a decentralized, transparent, and borderless ecosystem. 7. NFT and digital ownership platforms. NFT projects have fundamentally redefined what it means to own something in the digital world. By creating verifiable, blockchain-based proof of ownership, NFTs allow artists, musicians, gamers, and virtual world developers to produce scarce digital assets that cannot be copied or tampered with. This technology removes the need for middlemen, meaning creators can receive automatic royalties every time their work is resold, ensuring a continuous income stream and fairer compensation than traditional systems allow. The applications of NFTs go far beyond digital art. In gaming, NFTs represent in-game items, characters, or virtual land, allowing players to truly own, trade, or sell assets across platforms. In identity verification, NFTs can serve as secure, immutable digital IDs, streamlining processes that traditionally rely on centralized authorities. Even real-world assets, like real estate, luxury goods, or event tickets, are being tokenized as NFTs, enabling fractional ownership and transparent transfer of value. This technology has the potential to revolutionize intellectual property, creating new models for licensing, royalties, and content distribution. Creator economies benefit because artists, writers, and developers can engage directly with their audiences, monetize their work more efficiently, and maintain control over how it is used. As the digital world expands with virtual realities, metaverses, and decentralized platforms, NFTs provide the infrastructure for a new era where ownership, trust, and value are programmable, secure, and portable across the digital landscape. 6. Layer 2 scaling projects. Layer 2 blockchain projects, such as rollups and sidechains, are designed to improve scalability by increasing transaction speed and reducing costs on major blockchains. They process transactions off the main chain while still leveraging its security, making blockchain more practical for everyday use and mainstream applications. These scaling solutions are critical for mass adoption. By handling millions of transactions efficiently and keeping fees low, they prevent network congestion and allow users to interact seamlessly with decentralized applications. Without Layer 2 solutions, blockchain would struggle to support global-scale usage, limiting the growth of DeFi, NFTs, gaming, and other decentralized ecosystems. 5. Enterprise blockchain projects. Companies and governments are increasingly adopting enterprise blockchain projects to transform industries like supply chains, healthcare, and logistics. These systems enhance transparency, reduce fraud, and streamline operations by providing secure, immutable records that all participants can trust. Enterprise blockchains are used to track goods from production to delivery, verify authenticity of products, and protect sensitive data such as medical records. By applying blockchain beyond cryptocurrency, these projects demonstrate its potential as a foundational technology for real-world infrastructure and data management, proving that decentralized, tamper-proof systems can solve complex operational challenges across industries. 4. Web3 and decentralized internet projects. Web3 projects aim to create a decentralized internet where users truly own their data and communities, rather than corporations, governed platforms. This model challenges the dominance of big tech by shifting power from centralized entities to individual users. Developers are building decentralized storage networks, social platforms, and identity systems that give people control over their digital identities, privacy, and online monetization. Users can interact, share, and earn value without relying on centralized platforms, enabling a more open, secure, and user-driven internet. Web3 represents a fundamental shift toward an internet where ownership, governance, and value flow directly to individuals rather than intermediaries. 3. Blockchain gaming and metaverse projects. Blockchain gaming and metaverse projects are redefining how we interact with digital worlds. In blockchain gaming, players can truly own in-game assets and earn real money through play-to-earn models, turning entertainment into a viable digital economy. These games give value to time and skill, allowing users to trade, sell, or use their assets across platforms. Metaverse projects take this further by building immersive virtual worlds with land ownership, digital economies, and decentralized governance. Users can participate in communities, create content, and conduct real economic activity, creating parallel digital societies where social interaction, commerce, and creativity are intertwined. Together, these projects blur the line between gaming, finance, and social experiences, opening entirely new opportunities for value creation and engagement in the digital era. 2. Stablecoin and payment infrastructure projects. Stablecoin projects provide blockchain-based digital currencies pegged to fiat currencies, and they enable fast global payments without volatility, and they are used by individuals, companies, and governments. Blockchain payment rails reduce transaction costs, cross-border friction, and settlement time from days to seconds, which could transform global commerce and remittances permanently. 1. Future blockchain innovation projects. Future blockchain projects focus on artificial intelligence integration, quantum resistance, decentralized governance, and real-world asset tokenization, which could reshape global finance, politics, and society. As blockchain merges with AI and biotechnology, it could create decentralized autonomous systems that manage resources, organizations, and digital identities without human intermediaries, changing how civilization operates. Blockchain projects are not just technology, they are experiments in building a new digital civilization. Some will fail, but others will redefine money, internet, and governance. Understanding these projects gives you insight into the future of power and ownership. The next global giants may be decentralized protocols instead of corporations. Like, subscribe, and comment if you want deep dives into future technology and digital revolutions.